Today we're going to talk about a knife that I found at a second-hand store, and we're going to do a little bit of restoration on it. This knife that you see here has some problems. It's been sharpened with one of those carbide sharpeners that we've talked about before. You can see here that it has some damage to the tip as well. And so this video is going to be about restoring and sharpening this recycled knife. Okay, so we're about to give this knife a proper sharpening. Okay, so we have sharpened and stropped. Cuts very nicely. And so there we go. We have the complete restoration and sharpening of this second-hand knife, including the tip. Man, you make a mess, Frank.